Education is the most powerful weapon you can use to change the world. Live as if you were to die tomorrow. Learn as if you were to live forever. Children must be taught how to think, not what to think. I have never let my schooling interfere with my education. Education is what remains after one has forgotten what one has learned in school. It is the mark of an educated mind to be able to entertain a thought without accepting it. Education is the manifestation of perfection already in man. All thinking men are atheists. Atheism is so senseless and odious to mankind. The notion that science and spirituality are somehow mutually exclusive does a disservice to both. Science without religion is lame, and religion without science is blind. What can be asserted without evidence can be dismissed without evidence. The best argument against democracy is a 5-minute conversation with the average voter. The tyranny of a prince in an oligarchy is not so much dangerous to the public welfare as the apathy of a citizen in a democracy. The ballot is stronger than the bullet. There cannot be daily democracy without daily citizenship. I understand democracy as something that gives the weak the same chance as the strong. Democracy is not law of the majority but protection of the minority. In a democracy, the individual enjoys not only the ultimate power, but carries the ultimate responsibility. A fellow who is ashamed merely of shabby clothing or modest meals is not even worth conversing with. To live fully, we must use things and love people, not love things and use people. The world has enough for everyone's need, but not enough for everyone's greed. If everyone demanded peace instead of another television set, then there would be peace. When the power of love overcomes the love of power, the world will know peace. Peace and justice are two sides of the same coin. Poverty is the worst form of violence. If you want something said, ask a man. If you want something done, ask a woman. There is no tool for development more effective than the empowerment of women. Educate a man and you educate an individual. Educate a woman and you educate a family. I think women are foolish to pretend they are equal to men. They are far superior and always have been. If women are expected to do the same work as men, we must teach them the same things. Women are the largest untapped reservoir of talent in the world. People demand freedom of speech as a compensation for the freedom of thought which they seldom use. They who can give up essential liberty to obtain a little temporary safety deserve neither liberty nor safety. If liberty means anything at all, it means the right to tell people what they do not want to hear. Liberty means responsibility. That is why most men dread it. When governments fear the people, there is liberty. When the people fear the government, there is tyranny.